Organização Mundial de Saúde, OMS, e a Timor-Leste. Entrega Aimoruk, item autosida, ruanul resenida, Ministeriu Saude.
Cerimônia entrega Aimoruk realiza e Salão Instituto Nacional Farmácia Produto Médico, Kampung Alor, lorong walu fulang fevereiro tinen rihun ruanul resinhat. Representante OMS e a Timor-Leste Arvin Matur informa, usi Aimoruk item atus ida ruanul resinida ba emergência liu atu zere caso sira emergência nomos concentra liu ba mora sarampu no OMS mos hetang ona certificado katak Timor-Leste livre ona husi mora sarampu mas bena fatim preparado inclui Aimoruk sira o di bele prense lacuna sira nebe iha ba situação emergência.
To state that WHO is working with INFPM and Ministry of Health to provide support to strengthen the whole process of procurement, logistics, distribution of drugs, diagnostics, devices. And also today we were able to hand over what we call as emergency medical kits for the management of complicated and severe cases, especially for measles in children.
Dia urut nalain hakara kupete kata PMS serviço de terceiros bele serviço a muito com apoio suporta ba Ministeriu Saúde negisi com Aimoruk kan so ita halo apoio de força serviço INFPM nya e ohin lorong Aimoruk nebe ta forma ka da bolu darang Aimoruk emergência nya lili atu gere caso ser emergência no mos foculio ba iha sarampunya to ato halo gestão ba sarampu. So, as we know that Timor-Leste has declared eliminate Sarampu, but why are we handing over the measles?
You're absolutely right that Timor-Leste is certified for measles elimination. Even one case of measles, if at all it occurs, even it is imported, it is considered as an outbreak. Should there be a situation where measles or measles-like illness which can cause severe problem, we need to be prepared. So these drugs, medicines and consumables are to be used at that time, but also these are medicines, consumables which can be used to bridge the gap to manage any severe patient. The work of the surveillance together in terms of the network of the human resources with the available, it's ongoing. There are the standard approaches on the surveillance that are being utilized. So far, with the support of the people at the municipality, at the sub-municipality level, with WHO, public health field officers as well, we are ensuring together with Ministry of Health that surveillance remains strong and we continue to work to not have any situation where any case could be missed. Even today, we are regularly having any such suspected case, whether there is a rash and fever gets reported and is then provided the due treatment and actions are taken.
Sing itat hospital sami dane tuira OMS ni hare kata mask kita ada few mai be ita iha itu solution apa tengah mutu ko Ministeriu Saudi ita mos iha public health field officer kai tadi ni ponto focal sera ba saúde pública si OMS ni ngai tahu ya cada município ia bela suruh assegura kata serviço.
Entretanto, vice-ministro da operacionalização hospitais, Flávio Brandão informa, OMS suporta governo Timor-Leste, liuliba mora sarampu, nebe durante ne elimina ona, mas be responsabilidade bot ida ba OMS, ma continua fos suporta. Quando iha outbreak rumah, ba moras ida ne.
WHO maka bisa continua fos suporta quando iha outbreak rumah, ba moras ida ne. Então, você Aimoruk, no equipamentos médicos, nebe makiina, hanesan suporta rutina ba serviço nebe makia ou moras específico nebe makia, mas bem estamos usa oportunidade né atu usamos para serviço rutina itania, unemos halo serviço yang nebe makia proanya dona ia regionais hospitais. Então, denata educação durante a colaboração do Ministério da Saúde com a Laudia, e da somos sensíveis ao entender plano, programa certo do Ministério da Saúde lança e italau alinhamento o suporte certo do Então, again, thank you very much, Dr. Abdul Matif, for your continued support in this time.
Reportagem Celestinha Falo, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba Aimoruk. Atua tem informação atual dia kliu. Kita haluha. Haneham botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.